Assalamualaikum. Sihat ke semua? Sedap ke tak? Patut bunyi. Hello. Hello.
Oh yes, 5 minit kusam.
Okay. 11:05 kita akan start. Boleh tak bagi tahu kawan-kawan untuk masuk? Tell your friend to join this team. Okay, we are gonna start right now. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to everyone. Honorable Madam Surya Binti Ibrahim, our respected lecturer and dear participant. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to everyone for taking the time to join and participate in the today event. To welcome all of you to the Raya Poster Design Competition that's organized as part of our recreational event planning program. This competition is here to provide students with the opportunity to showcase their creativity, ideas, and artistic talent in design poster, inspired by the spirit of the Hari Raya Aidilfitri. At the same time, is to encourage innovation and engagement among the students. Without further ado, let's us begin today the program. Enjoy the creativity and amazing poster design is will be presented. Okay, now I will explain about the agenda today. Now I would like to briefly explain agenda activity that we will having today. Okay, first we will start with the Canva, as many of you may know already lah. Canva is a very popular design platform that allows students to easily create a poster, presentation, and many other visual design. In this session, participants will learn how to edit and customize a poster by using the existing template in Canva. You can change the word, adjust the design, modify the colors, and add a different element so that the poster become your own creative work. The goal here is to help you to understand how simple is to transform an exciting template into the unique and attractive poster design. Next, we will move on the Gemini AI. In this part of the session, we will explore how artificial intelligence can help us edit and transform photo. Transform photo. For example, if you have a poster, if you have a photo of the person wearing a plain or black shirt, Gemini AI can help transform that photo into the festive outfit such as a baju Melayu or baju raya. This is allow you to create more interesting and thematic visual that match to the Hari Raya celebration. After that, we will introduce to Grok. Grok is a AI tools that will generate a short video for image, the 6-second video. By using Grok, you can upload a photo and turn it into the 6-second video animation. In addition, that you can also make a character in the photo, say Selamat Hari Raya. This feature adds a creative and interactive element to your design, making of engaging and fun. And lastly, we will explore the ChatGPT. This very section, participant will learn how to create how to learn to create the simple prompt. A prompt basically an instruction that you give to the AI system in order to generate a specific output. Once you create a prompt, you can use the generate idea, even design concept of your poster. This will help you see how AI can assist you brainstorming and producing creative content. Okay, now I will explain a bit in Malay. Overall. Okay, mula-mula kita akan menggunakan Canva untuk edit basic poster. Kita akan gunakan poster yang sedia ada dan kita akan ubah sesuai. Seterusnya kita akan guna Gemini AI. Gemini AI ni dia akan mengubah foto kita mengikut apa yang kita tulis. Lepas tu kita akan guna Grok. Grok ni dia akan generate short video by using the photo. And lastly, we will explore the ChatGPT. We can create, kita akan cipta poster secara overall. Okay, right now we are going to start our agenda first. We will start with the Canva. Okay, now you may open your Canva apps on your phone or any your device. Are you ready? Open the apps. Please someone respond. Hello.
Wait.
Wait. Okay. I will wait. For others, you can open your own your Canva in your own device. Okay. Are you ready? You guys ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now I will teach you how use the Canva, only the basic one. We're not going to the complicated one. Okay, for the Canva, first I want you guys to press on this template button here. You can see the mouse on the screen. Yes, you need to click here. Did you see the template button here? I'm
Where?
circling with my here. The left side of screen. I'm circling with the mouse.
Okay, okay, I see.
Okay. Now click here and you need to click on the search bar here. You see? Okay, right now I want you guys to click to type Hari Raya poster on the search bar and press enter. Guys done?
And
Okay. So right now I want you guys to choose your own design. First of all, if you have a premium account, you can access all the design. But if you have a basic account, you can access only the basic one. How to see a difference between the premium and not premium? Okay, first of all, the premium is marking with the crown symbol. This is a premium. If you have the account premium, you can access this design. But if it doesn't have, you can access the no point, the no symbol. Okay. You guys understand? You guys understand?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, right now I want you guys to choose the one design and press on the any design on your screen. For example, I will choose this design. Okay, just click on the design you want and this will show like this. Okay, did you get it? Okay, right now I will explain about the button here. Did you see my mouse on your screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so right now I will explain one by one what's the function of the button here on the left side of your screen. Okay, first of all, we have the element. This element, you can use the element here to add any photo or video. For example, you can click any one you want here. For example, this lemang, and it will appear on your poster. So right now you can adjust. You want a big or you want a small, and you can coordinate the picture here. It is up to you lah. You want place where you want to place. Just place here. Okay. For this frame, you can add the frame, and this frame is function to add your photo. You can add your own photo here. For example, that I show on screen, and you can put your photo like this. Just take your photo, go to the Canva, drag into this frame. Now, insert it. Okay, right now you can get your photo on your own poster. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have your own photo lah. You can upload your status WhatsApp with this poster. Okay, beside the image, you can also add the video too. You can put the video too. So it's very good for editing your own poster lah. On poster. Okay, next we have here is a text. The text is the font or the alphabet you can use in this poster. Now you can click on the text button and press on the font you like. For example, I will use this font. Okay. After you click the font will appear on your poster. So right now you can edit whenever you like. You can just selamat hari raya. Oh, no. Okay, selamat hari raya. Hello ni. Okay, you can also adjust the color here. This is up to you. You want to use what color you like. For example, here green, white, red. Make sure the color is not the same as the background. If you use the same color on font and the background, your text will not show in this poster. For example, in this background is brown. So you can use the white or yellow or anything bright color. Okay, do you understand, guys? Hello? Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's all from the Canva. Now, you can close the Canva apps and we'll go to the Gemini AI. So right now you can open the Gemini apps on your device right now. Okay, I will wait to you to open the Gemini AI apps. Okay, Gemini AI apps you can use on your phone too. And you can also use on the laptop. Okay, right now I will explain what is function for the Gemini AI. Okay, right now I will explain for Gemini AI. Gemini AI is in a part will explore how artificial intelligence can help edit and transform our photo. Okay, for example, that I said before, you can use your photo that's wearing the blank shirt and transform into the baju Melayu. Okay. Are you ready, guys? Have you opened your Gemini AI? Are you open already?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, right now you can see here is the desktop for the Gemini AI. Right now, I want you guys to click on this additional button, add file here. Just click here and press upload file here. Did you see the cursor mouse that I point on the screen? You need to click here and you need to choose any photo that you like. Okay, for example, I will use this photo, this special photo. Click open. Okay, right now the photo has been uploaded on the Gemini AI. Now click on the search bar, and you can write here anything that you want. For example, I will write here. Turn this man clothes into an baju Melayu. Okay. Now click submit. Now you need to wait here, and the Gemini AI will generate the new photo that he wearing the baju Melayu. We need to wait until this generate is done. It's on, I think will take some 50 seconds to 20 seconds. Okay, did you get it, guys?
Yeah, Akmal.
Okay. Good job, Fakrul. Okay, right now the photo will be shown. The newest photo will be shown here. Let's see the result from the Gemini AI show. Okay, you can see here all the character on this photo before is wearing the random clothes. For me, I wearing the black shirt and a casual shirt lah, a casual clothes. Okay, this is a result of the photo. All the character on this photo is wearing the baju Melayu like we prompt before. Okay, you can use your own creativity to change the clothes whatever you like. You can use, you can also use the change your clothes into the baju kurung and any baju raya that you wear on the Aidilfitri. Okay. Okay, did you understand, guys?
Yes.
Yes, Akmal.
Okay. Okay, right now you can use the photo to edit on your own Canva here before. You can add, for example, I will transfer this photo into the Canva. And right now you can see this photo on this photo on the poster. Okay, it's easy, right? You can just using the AI to change your clothes into the baju raya outfit. Okay, that's all for Gemini AI. Right now, we'll go to the next app. Right now, I want you guys to open the Grox. Okay, I will give 5 seconds to you to open the Grox apps. Okay, now I will explain what Grox can do. Okay, Grox, you can upload your own photo and turn it into the 6-second video animation. Okay, I will teach after that how to make a video that we are say the Selamat Hari Raya. Okay, did you already open the Grox apps?
Yes.
Okay. Right now you can see this in a race of the Grox. Now I want you to click on this Okay. Continue. Okay, just wait. We have okay, this is a first interface that you see when you use the Grox. Okay, right now I want you guys to click on the imagine here. Did you see the imagine here? Okay, right now
Yes.
I want you guys to click here. Just click here. Okay, right now it's shown the menu photo here and the search bar on the below of your screen. Now press on. Now you go to the search bar and click on the video option here. Okay, for the Grox, we have a 720 pixel resolution for the premium access and 10-second duration video only for the premium. But if you doesn't have a premium account, you can use this resolution and you can make only 6-second duration video. Okay, right now I want you guys to click on this button here and choose the animated image. Okay, right now you will choose the photo here. Okay, I will use the photo I'm wearing the baju Melayu. Okay, right now you can see the photo has been uploaded on this search bar. Now you need to type or imagine to lead the photo whenever you want. Okay. Now I will type make this all men say okay, now enter selamat hari raya. Okay, make this man or this all men say selamat hari raya. Just like this. Now submit. Okay, right now it's generating the video. Is maybe takes 20 seconds to 30 seconds to generating the video. Now we will wait the video.
Selamat Hari Raya, Selamat Hari Raya.
Okay, right now it's shown the result
Selamat
of
Hari Raya,
our video.
Selamat Hari Raya.
Just using your own photo, you can make this video.
Selamat Hari Raya,
On
Selamat
your
Hari Raya.
status to upload your story IG and whenever you like on the TikTok. It's one of the easy way to make a video lah. Okay, did you get it? You can make your own. Guys, you can make your own video using your own photo by using the Grok. Do you understand? Okay. So right now, this is the end for the Groks. Now we will go to the ChatGPT. Okay, right now I want you guys to open the ChatGPT apps on your device or on your laptops. Okay, for ChatGPT, we will use the ChatGPT to make the overall poster. Okay. Okay. Right now, I give you some 5 seconds to open the ChatGPT apps. Okay. As you can see here on your screen, this is the entrance or desktop for the ChatGPT. Okay, right now you can see the search bar here. Just click here to type the order to the ChatGPT what you want to do. Okay, right now we will make a make a poster. Just type make me a poster about Hari Raya Aidil Fitri. Okay, you can also add the any you can add any that you want to appear on your poster. For example, put lemang, ketupat, and envelope. Kids wearing baju Melayu, happy face. Huh? Ah. Okay, you can also use the Malay language to order the prompt for the ChatGPT. And for the ChatGPT, it's not need to you to use the perfect grammar. Just write your using your own English. The ChatGPT is known what you want. What you want. Okay, right now you can see this prompt. Now just submit here. And right now the ChatGPT is going to generate the image of the poster Hari Raya. Now we will wait. Okay, right now the ChatGPT downloading the poster is that's why because the poster is blurry. We need to wait until the 100% download. Okay, here you can see the result of the poster by using the ChatGPT. Is it cute, right, guys? Comel ke tak comel?
You like Akmal.
Okay, you can see this kit. All the prompt that we use on search bar before has appeared on this photo on this poster. As you can see here, kids wearing the baju Melayu with the happy face. Here, lemang, ketupat, and envelope. This kid is holding the envelope, and this here is lemang, and here is ketupat. Okay, that's an easy way. Now you can download, and you can use to upload on your status WhatsApp app. Okay. This is an example. I will send on the WhatsApp. Oh. No. Okay. Okay, this is you can see on the WhatsApp. This is a result of us using the ChatGPT. Okay, this is the end of our tutorial to make a poster, to make a video, to make a edited video. Okay, for right now, we will go to the poster competition instruction. Okay, right now you need to here. Now moving to the next agenda, we begin the poster design competition. All participants are required to create one poster. For this activity, you are free to use any tools that we have introduced earlier. For example, Canva, Grok, ChatGPT, and Gemini AI. You may use one tools only, or you can combine the multiple tools to enhance your creativity. Okay. The theme for this poster, I will write on the group. The theme is I did fit 3 love. Ish. Wow, sama ya poster ni. Love of the Unitarians. Okay, I will send the theme for this competition. You need to make a poster based on this theme. Okay, the theme is Ideal Fitri, love of the Unitarian family. You need to create any poster typo banyak, based on the theme given. Okay, right now you need to create the poster and send it into the group into the Raya e-poster design competition. Okay, you need to send here your own poster that you create based on the theme that I give in group. Ini saja. Saya bebas open. Okay, you may use your own creativity to make a poster. And it's up to you to use any device that we introduced before. For example, you can use the ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini AI, and lastly is okay, right now I will give okay, right now I will give you guys to make your own poster by using the anything apps that I introduced before. For the 10 minutes, I will wait for the 10 minutes, and you can upload your own poster on the Raya group event. And state your name. Masa korang hantar poster tu, tulis nama korang dekat bawah. Okay, 10 minutes will begin right now. Okay, if you want to ask anything, if you don't understand what I said before, you can ask or just open your mic and click raise your hand here, and I will explain again. Okay, you can also share screen to show your progress, and I will see. Is anyone willing to share screen to show the progress of your poster? Okay, right now let's see the poster that you guys sent in the group. share screen lagi ke? Share screen lagi. Oh, share. Okay, you can see right now this photo is by Shazliana. This photo is using the background pink. It's macam strawberry theme.
Macam sebelah here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, it's a matcha strawberry theme. You see the strawberry hanging right here, and the font that used is can be different with the background. Like right here, siapa ni? Alia Alisha using the font, the green color with the red, and you can see the difference with the background. Here we have the masjid. Maybe in her prompt, write the masjid background and see this couple right here, this kid and the village. And here is a food that we serve on the Hari Raya. Okay, next by Shafiqah Asmida. I see she using the cat prompt for this poster. As you can see, this is a cat wearing the baju raya. Have a songkok and wearing the baju kurung. And she also used the masjid background, the mosque background on the back, and and the font right here is very beautiful. State on directly, Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, maaf zahir dan batin. Here we have a ketupat, lemang, apa ni? Kuih muih and satay. Okay, next we'll go to the Jesu poster. Not moment. Okay, you can see this poster that's created by Jesu. This poster is very bright, I see. And a lot of the villages are very harmony in this poster. You see the man wearing the blue baju raya is bakar lemang on the barbecue grill. And a lot of the Hari Raya dish on front of this. And you see the child is very happy on the Hari Raya playing the football. Okay. Next is Nana lagi. Okay, you can also use the prompt to make your curhat ke apa curhat bahasa Inggeris?
Wish.
Your wishes here. For here, I will read, wishing your and your beloved one joyful and blessings on Aidilfitri. May this beautiful celebration bring peace, happiness, and endless blessing into your life. May your home be filled with the warmth, laughter, and gratitude as you celebration this special day with family and friends. May the spirit of Aidilfitri strengthen our bond, inspire kindness, and remind us to always share love and compassion with others. It's a very good message lah. You can use the ChatGPT prompt to put the message that you want to send to your, for example, you want to send your grandparents. You can use the ChatGPT and generate the poster by using the message that you want to give? Hmm, hmm, hmm. Selamat Hari Raya. Okay, this is a good. Comel je. Okay, you can see here this photo, the poster. I showing the very harmonious family living in the village, and the mosque background back. They are switching the food between the husband and wife. Very sweet. Mm. Okay, let's.
Sama.
Okay, I will condemn. I will comment on the Fakrul poster. Okay, Fakrul poster has shown the percussion things with the masjid at the background. You see the lantern here, and our holy books, Quran, and the ketupat. It's very shown the Aidilfitri theme. Okay, next by. Okay, number phone. I don't know. Okay, left of Unitarian family. You can also put the any photo of Unita. For example, the photo before and edit into the wearing the baju raya and put on the Canva and edit by your own. Okay, we have only 2 minutes left. You have 2 minutes left to finalize your design and send on the group. There's 1 minute left. Okay, finalize your design, finalize your poster, and send. Make sure to put your name because we are going to select the winner. The poster is is very beautiful, and follow the team will be selected as a winner. Okay, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. I will wait. Oh, Alia Mazlan. Okay. Okay. Let's see the Adawiyah. I see Adawiyah using the landscape format for his poster Hari Raya. Very good. I see a different. You can see cat here. Is Unitarian love cat Oh, yeah, Nana. I think she using the photo group of Unitarian, our photo, and turn it into the Gemini AI as a anime style arts and put on the ChatGPT. You see the logo here, the Unita building. I think this main campus. I think it's main campus. Good, good. Puteri by Puteri. Oh, comel. You see the guys holding the device. Maybe they are using the device to make an assignment, last minute assignment on the Hari Raya. Okay. Okay, time's up. You can send your final photo on group. Right, state your name. Okay, the winner we will choose. Pemenang akan dipilih based on the creativity on the poster that you make. Pemenang akan dipilih atas kreativiti di dalam yang kamu gunakan di dalam poster. Okay, the winner will announce on the ANS KB Live TikTok. Okay, kami akan pilih pemenang dan akan mengumumkan pemenang tersebut di dalam TikTok ANS. ANS Unitar Kota Baru. Okay, later we will choose the poster and we send to the admin and admin will upload the photo the poster on the ANS KB TikTok. And the winner is shown there. Okay, you can send the photo on the WhatsApp. Okay, right now I would like to thanks for all that participate in this event, the Raya e-poster design competition. I think this is the end of our session. So thank you for attending the Raya e-poster design competition. You can send the poster on the WhatsApp group. That's all from us. Thank you. Okay, I will. Our committee will send the survey form on the group WhatsApp, and you can easy. You can easy the form. That's okay on the group WhatsApp. Okay, see you guys on the after Raya, and I would like to say Selamat Hari Raya for you guys. That's all from us. Thank you. Okay. Please open your camera and we will take the photo of you guys. Can you open your camera? Hello. Open camera guys. Lihat lagi. Okay, right now the main laptop have a lagging issue. Okay, boleh buka kamera tak? Kita nak ambil gambar. Okay, sure. Mana screenshot? Screenshot mana?
Jadi. Oh.
Okay, thank you guys for joining us today. Selamat Hari Raya. Get safe on your journey.